Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously, and today we're gonna be taking a look at this guy here. Now, I know most of you are gonna go in the comments and say, but you said you're not going to buy it, but this, but that, but we bought it, it's here, so let's just take a look on it. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click that notifications button so you don't miss my videos, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up when you're done watching if you actually like the video. So let's jump quickly on the unboxing. So this guy here is the iPhone XR 64 gig in obviously yellow. I actually said we were going to get a yellow one and we ended up getting a yellow one. Jump quickly on it. Actually, I guess the unboxing already started. So as I say, 64 gig, it comes in three sizes. You have the 64 gig, you have the 128 gigs, and you have the 256 gigs. Now, this is the one that came after. First of all, firstly, Apple released the XS and the XS Max, and then after I think a month later, they released this guy here. Now this guy will come in 6 colors. You have the yellow that I have here, you have blue, you have coral, you have the product red, you have white, and you have the black. Hopefully that was 6. So inside you have the phone, and you have actually the menu or start up guide, which we don't use. I'm about to throw it away, but just to show you guys what's inside, you have here the SIM removal tool, you have your Apple stickers, and that's about it for that. And inside the box you have the phone. Now this phone comes with yellow back and aluminum gold bezels on the side. The other phones, that's the iPhone X and iPhone XS, will come with stainless steel sides. So at the back you have a glass back so that you can use the wireless charging that's in there. You have your one camera, single camera, unlike the iPhone XS. Again, XS and XS Max have 2 cameras. You have the 12 megapixel on this one, which the other one also has. It has an aperture of 1.8, and that's the back of the phone. And you have also the flash right here. In front you will get, let's just peel this thing off. Okay, in front you will have, just press the button to start. In front you have the True Depth camera, which also uses for Face ID. The front camera is a 7 megapixel camera if I'm not mistaken, and it has a 2.2 aperture. The back camera will allow you to record 4K up to 60 frames per second, and the front camera is a 720p camera for your FaceTime and your selfies. It also supports portrait mode on the back camera, so you don't really need 2 cameras for portrait mode. And what's gonna be lacking on this phone is the force touch. Obviously there's no force touch on this one. That's also one of the things that helps bring the price of this guy down. This phone is going to be much cheaper than when I say much cheaper, is as much as it's cheaper, it's still a bit expensive for some of you guys. But this one is going to cost you much cheaper than the XS and the 10 currently. On the box you have, let's just go back quick to the box since this guy has already been started. On the box you'll have the headphones that uses lightning, straight lightning. But I'm not gonna use this thing, so I normally don't even open these guys. Even the lightning cable I normally just leave in a box for when I need a spare one. And you also have the power brick. Since this phone wasn't bought in South Africa, it comes with this American standard. So that's what's in the box. Now let's look again on the phone. It's actually quite beautiful phone, I must say. I like the gold. You have the volume up and volume down button. You have the volume rocker to silent, volume rocker, whatever you call. Tell me what you call this thing here. I don't know what you call it, but this is what you mute the phone and put it on vibrate. And you have the lightning jack here, or lightning connecting, and you have the speaker grill, and you have the microphone grill, and that's all about it on a phone. You also have another microphone here at the back for better sound, I guess. And yeah, this is the phone for you guys to see. Now I'm going to start the phone. I'm going to do everything that needs to be done, and I will get back to you guys on another video. I just want to take more time with it before I make an in-depth look on the phone. I don't just want to go into the phone and start assuming what the phone has. But the other difference that you guys are going to find on this phone as compared to the other ones is that the screen is not OLED. They look using liquid retina display, which is basically LCD display. You know, Apple always has this thing of coming with their own names. I think it's for marketing purposes also. So yeah, I'm going to do what needs to be done on the phone to make it work, and I will catch you guys on the next one. As I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and give this video a thumbs up, and I guess I'll catch you guys on my next video where I actually take a better look on this phone. But so far I actually like the phone, and yeah, peace.